Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use CapCut auto captions for viral TikTok videos. So first of all, upload your clip to a new project. Select text afterwards. Inside, we're going to head over to auto captions here. Now, you can generate from video or voiceover if you have a separate audio or separate recording. And of course, select your native language. If you're speaking in English, then switch to English. If you want, or if you have mix of both English and something else, you can just let the CapCut AI figure out that language, the main language, and you're gonna see the final outcome if you like it or not. Now, before you hit generate, you're gonna see here many templates that you can use for viral TikTok caption, right? Now select the one that you feel like it's gonna hit the most numbers. All of them really do well in TikTok. So all you gotta do is just select one of your liking, then hit generate and let the AI do its thing. And basically that's it, right? Once you're done, you're gonna hit export, again, hit save to device. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.